If you're thinking about buying Picsart, there are a few things you need to know before making the investment, especially with so many photo editing apps out there. Stick around to the end of this video, and I'll help you make the best decision for your needs. First off, Picsart is an incredibly powerful tool, and it stands out in the crowded world of photo editing apps. It's like a mix of Photoshop and Canva, but with an easier-to-use interface. If you're used to other tools like Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom, you might find some of the features here familiar, but Picsart offers more of a mobile-first, user-friendly approach. So, is it worth the price? Let's dive into it. Next thing you should know, Picsart isn't just a photo editor, it's a full creative suite. You can create everything from simple Instagram stories to intricate designs, like those pro-level social media posts or YouTube thumbnails. Its collage maker, background eraser, and text tool are top-notch and allow for creative flexibility you won't find in many other apps, certainly not for free. This is something that Canva, for example, doesn't do as well with mobile photo editing. The third thing you need to know, while it's available on both mobile and desktop, the desktop version of Picsart is a bit more robust, but the mobile app is still very competitive. If you're planning to use the app primarily for photo editing on the go, it's one of the best mobile tools out there. However, if you need advanced features or better control, you might find it lacking compared to desktop-focused programs like Photoshop. So it really depends on how deep you need to go with your edits. The fourth thing, Picsart's free version has limitations. It's great for basic edits, but you'll hit a wall pretty quickly in terms of premium features. Things like additional filters, stock photos, and advanced editing tools are locked behind a subscription. You can also get rid of the watermark only with the paid version. So if you plan to use it for professional work or as part of a business, you might need to upgrade. That said, the premium subscription isn't as expensive as some competitors like Adobe Photoshop or even Lightroom. And there's a free trial, which is a solid way to try it before committing. Next thing to consider, the app is constantly evolving. Picsart adds new features all the time, and that's something that really sets it apart from other editing tools. They offer AI-powered tools, like background removers and automatic retouching, which is something competitors like Canva don't do quite as seamlessly. These little things make a big difference in your workflow, and if you're someone who needs to quickly edit photos for social media or blogs, it can be a game changer. The sixth point is that Picsart integrates with other platforms. So, if you're editing photos for Instagram, Pinterest, or even TikTok, Picsart has built-in sharing tools to streamline your workflow. You can upload directly, resize content, and even manage your entire social media content calendar, all from within the app. It's a solid time saver if you're managing multiple accounts or need a tool that works seamlessly across platforms. The seventh and final thing you need to know, customer support is solid but not perfect. Most people have good experiences, and they do offer tutorials, a helpful FAQ, and an active community forum. But, like with any platform, sometimes it can take a little while to get the support you need, especially if you're a premium user. If you're still not sure whether to buy, you can get the best deal and try out Picsart completely free by clicking the first link in the description. It's a great way to test out the premium features and see if it fits your workflow before you commit. Picsart is definitely a great tool for most photo and video editing needs, but before you buy, take advantage of that free trial to explore its full capabilities. If you're a casual user or a content creator, you'll find it an essential app for boosting your social media presence and creating high-quality visuals.